At this point in the year, we plant cereal rye. We plant cereal rye for a few reasons. It's generally easier to manage. It's easier to plant in the fall. We have a longer seeding window. It germinates when we catch a good few weeks of weather. Then we get some good growth over the winter. I have used a couple different methods to seed cover crops over the last 10 years or so. We started out with a drill, which obviously you're going to have much more success with because you're putting the seed directly into the soil. But for us, that was just too inefficient to get things accomplished in a timely manner. The drones actually, I like that. We get much better seed placement. You're just closer to the canopy of the crop. You can get into those corners. So you have a good success rate there. But I also like using the toolbar that I purchased a couple years ago, which is an Unverferth double rolling basket, and it has a seeder mounted on top of it. It's 30 foot wide, so I can cover a lot of acres really quick. I can go at a high speed. We have GPS on the tractor so we can know where we're going and keep track of any overlap. So it just allows us to move much more efficiently.
I'm wholeheartedly believe that I have to be 100%. I do not want one speck of my ground to be bare out there and come winter. You know, right now, yeah, I have some little bit of bare dirt showing, but there's, like I said, 90% residue out there yet. As soon as the rye comes up, yeah, I'll be 100% covered and no erosion. We're using cereal rye on all the bean acres. The process I'm using today to put my cover crop down is we're using a Salford, which is a vertical tillage tool, and it has a Valmar box on it. Holds about 1,800 pounds of cereal rye. I'm moving about 9 miles an hour out there. It's just tickling at the top 1.5 inches or so. We've been no-till for a long time. Some of these fields tile lines are settling. It seems like this is just helping level things up a little bit.